Want to know how to create this finish? Well, stay with us. Hi, my name is Vilma. I'm a furniture artist behind Renovel Sounds of Renewal or Redesign with Prima. And today I will be sharing with you how I create this beautiful flip. After cleaning very well, I started by painting using good wick from Fusion Mineral Paint. This is a deep brownish color, which I love. I will be doing 2 layers. This is my second coat. And I will be letting dry overnight before I proceed to apply all my design. I'm using the Middy Foil Transfer Veneer Elegance, and I'm marking the edges to have an exact piece to attach to each of my front drawers. So I'm planning to doing all of this in all the small drawers in the front. The metallic foil transfers are easy to use, but you need to be more careful when burnishing down. They're a bit more fragile than our other transfers. I'm using these polishing pads to remove any excess and to adhere the foil better. I'm using my applicator tool to crease the transfer to mark where to cut it. As I mentioned before, these transfers come in 2 sheets, which can be connected to continue the pattern or use it individually. Now for the bottom drawers, I'm using another Middy Foil transfer named Golden Serenade. This also came in 2 sheets. I will be splitting them and attaching one to the left and one to the right. I have some leftovers of the Middy Foil Transfer shimmering script and decided to add some of them to its design. For the sides, I'm using Decor Poly named Petals in Harmony. This set came in 4 different poly designs. These poly are flexible, as you can see, and ready to use. So I'm adding this adhesive glue, which is one of my favorites. It's Gorilla Good Glue, attaching to the back, and then I'm placing my Decor Poly on my piece, press it down, and now I'm removing all the excess of the adhesive I may have with a baby wipe and a small brush. I'm cutting this poly. These are very easy to cut with scissors or with a knife, just to complete my design. There's no need to cast with this beautiful Decor Poly. They are ready to apply straight from the package. I'm using antiquing glaze from Fusion Mineral Paint and Filter Noir glaze from Redesign with Prima by Cici, and I mixed it both together, and I just applying with a brush all around the mold to create dimension. For that, I need just a little bit of my black glaze, and then with the cloth just remove the excess. If you think you have too much of these glazes, you can remove with a baby wipe. And I didn't mention it before, but I seal this part of these sides with water-based sealer before applying my prior to apply my glazes. Now I'm using Tiger's Eye from Cici Style also as well for the Redesign with Prima. This is a gold glaze, and just apply like a dry brush and remove the excess. For the legs, I'm using Eternal Wax and with Vintage Gold. I'm mixing both together and using a brush number 2. Well, I'm using the brush number 1, but the larger works better. So I'm starting by applying this wax from the bottom to the top, doing small movements, as you can see on the video. And yes, this is how I create this finish for my legs on my furniture. I did the same process for the 4 legs. For the inside doors, I'm using the other sheet remaining from the Middy Foil Transfer Golden Serenade. I'm also using the small transfer blush Symphony to complete this design. These small transfers came in 3 sheets, and I already used some of them in another project, so I decided to use the remaining leftover I have on this design. I'm completing this design with some of the Middy Foil Transfer shimmering script. I like to seal my transfer with a water-based sealer and a damp sponge. The one I always use is clear top coat from Fusion Mineral Paint. Finally, adding some gold touches to the edges of this yearly armory with the same decor waxes, Eternal and Vintage Gold. And these are the final results. Let me know in comments what do you think about this flip. All products I use will be on descriptions. Thank you for watching and see you in another flip soon. Please give us a follow and a like and subscribe to our channel today.